classification of animals. This from biology. The classification of animals, it is based on that way you are going to study from this lesson that different types of phylums are there. Phylum म्हणजे काय विभाग. I will do one example. See there, if you study it, it is a octopus animal. See there. How much legs are there? How much legs are there? There is a specific eye system is there, brain system is there. See there, like this. It is going like this. There about we are having only 2 legs are there, but octopus animal having 7 legs are there. How many? 7 legs, and they have only 2 legs are there. If God will give the 7 legs, what happen? Then again we are going to jump again we have got 7 legs, but 7 legs are not there, only 2 legs are there. Another one thing is that, see, observe properly. It is the what is the name of this octopus. Then another one thing, mostly the girls as well as ladies very interesting for the diamond, to wear the diamond ornaments. How this ornament you will get? That is the diamond. It is the name of that animal, that is the oyster. It is present in the ocean. It is present in the sea. How this diamond is released from that body of that specific animal? What is the name of this animal? That is the oyster. See there. First of all, they cut the body part of that animal. They are taken from that diamond, from that whole body. You observe properly. What is the name of that? But you don't know how to take that diamond from that human body part. See there. All of you. Observe properly. See the diamond. Only we know that we are wearing that diamond only. But how this diamond is created, how this diamond is produced for the commercial business, for the wearing the diamond in your ornament, different ornaments, mostly ladies as well girls are also wearing the diamond ornaments. No, not gents. No, such amount ornaments, the diamond are also present. No, mostly the ladies are wearing this diamond. Another one thing I am going to show that I think. See, the structure of DNA. Structure of DNA. What is the function of DNA? DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. The structure of DNA, it plays a very important role in our human body. The DNA, it contains the 4 types of factors: A, C, G, E, A. 5 factors. A, adenine. C, cytosine. G, guanine. T, thymine. That means these are bonded. See that. What is the structure? How the function is carried out in our human body of the DNA. म्हणजे आपल्या मानवी शरीरामध्ये डीएनएचं कार्य कशा पद्धतीने चालतं हे समजतं आपल्याला. We don't know what is going on in our inside our body. We don't know. Only we are eating. We are doing each and every activity. तुम्ही खेळता, अभ्यास करता, दंगा करता, परंतु आपल्या मानवी शरीरामध्ये but in our human body, how what is the function, how this process is carried out with help of this DNA बॉडी मिळतो ना. Another one thing is very so simple example. You are taking that ribbon, no ribbon. तुम्ही वेण्या म्हणता नाही, जसे तुमची वेणीची रचना आहे, ट्विस्टेड, तशा पद्धतीची ही आहे डीएनएची रचना. हे लक्षात. आणि डीएनएच्या आपल्या मानवी शरीरामध्ये अत्यंत महत्त्वाची भूमिका असते. डीएनए म्हणजे डीऑक्सिरायबोज न्यूक्लिक ऍसिड, आरएनए म्हणजे काय? रायबोज न्यूक्लिक ऍसिड. म्हणजे आपल्या मानवी शरीरामध्ये या डीएनएचं अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं काम आहे. Some genetic disorders are transferred from parents to the generation, parents to the kids. म्हणजे काय की अनुवंशिक जे रोग आहेत हे अनुवंशिक रोग एका पिढीकडून दुसऱ्या पिढीवर पाठवणं और these are generated from the parents to their kids. किड्स म्हणजे मुलं, पेरेंट्स म्हणजे काय, पालकांच्याकडून या मुलांच्याकडे पाठवून देखील काम या ठिकाणी गेली करत असतात. There are so many different type of disorders are there. Diabetes disorder, it is a generated disorder. मधुमेह, शुगर आपण त्याला म्हणतो. किडनी स्टोन, इट इज ऑल्सो जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. अनुवंशिक हा आजार, अनुवंशिक रोग आहे. सो मेनी डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ diseases are there, and for the diseases this DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid, this factor is very so important. After 1 year we are going to study in the, I think in the 10th standard. First is this is that heredity and evolution. Heredity, anuvansh. So many different types of diseases are there, but only diseases are, we know that, and means we know that the diseases are transferred from parents to the kids, okay, but only the diseases are not transferred. Some genetic disorders are observed in the human body, in their parents. That means 23 pairs of genes are there. जनुकांचे जोडे, गुणसूत्र, क्रोमोझोम्स, क्रोमोझोम्स जोडे. आता मी तुम्हाला जे दाखवलं, see that in this DNA structure, chromosomes are गुणसूत्र. Chromosomes का गुणसूत्र. These chromosomes are very so important. You know, 23 chromosomes are there. Chromosomes, 23 chromosomes are there. Okay, how many chromosomes are? See that pairs. These are the pairs, jode. How many? 23 plus 23. How many? 46 chromosomes are. You remember this? How many? 46 chromosomes are. Except if one, not we add, naturally one chromosome is added in this 23 pairs of chromosome. Then when the kid will be born, then what happen? When kid will be born, म्हणजे ज्यावेळी 23व्या गुणसूत्रामध्ये समजा एखादी जोडी जर वाढली तर काय होतं? When the kid, the new offspring, that is the individual, म्हणजे ज्यावेळी बाळ नवीन जन्माला येतं, he will be suffering from any genetic disorder. हे ज्यावेळी ते बाळ जन्माला येईल त्यावेळी ते कसं असणार आहे? कुठल्याही प्रकारचे एखादं त्याला अनुवंशिक आजार हा असणार आहे. तो मतिमंद असेल, गतिमंद असेल, किंवा ब्रेन डॅमेज झाले असेल, किंवा ओठ फाटले, लिप्स आर टियर, ओठ फाटले असतील. So many different types of. That means the specific diseases are carried due to the one addition of this one chromosome. म्हणजे एखादं जरी क्रोमोझोम ऍड झालं, इट इज अ नॅचरल प्रोसेस. It is called the reproduction, प्रजनन. Reproduction, it is a natural process, and in this natural process, if naturally, not artificial, naturally one chromosome will add, then when that kid will birth, he will be suffering by 101%, not 100%, 101%. That kid will be suffering from any genetic disorder. He will be suffering from diabetes. He will be suffering from liver tearing, म्हणजे ओठ फाटले असतात. So many are different types of different disorders are there. अनेक अशा प्रकारचे आजार आहेत. या आजारांना त्या ठिकाणी तो जे बाळ असेल ते बाळ त्या ठिकाणी आजारी म्हणजे त्याला आजार होऊ शकतो. Sometimes handicapped children are also born. अपंग असणारी मुलं देखील त्याला जन्माला येऊ शकतात. कशामुळे? इट इज कॉल्ड एज द म्युटेशन, उत्परिवर्तन. याला काय म्हणायचं? उत्परिवर्तन. सडनली उत्परिवर्तन काय? परिवर्तन. सडनली वेअर विथ द 23 क्रोमोझोम, म्हणजे 23व्या गुणसूत्रामध्ये अचानकपणे सडनली चेंज झाले तर जन्माला जर अपंग असेल किंवा जिकील असेल, you will be 101% suffering from any genetic disorders. म्हणजे that means in our human body DNA comfortable, you are sitting very so relaxedly. But we don't know what is going on inside our human body. What is structure of heart? What is structure of our digestion? We don't know. Small intestine is there, small large intestine there. You are always eating that which Chinese food material always. These are bad if you are small intestine. Why? That Chinese food material contains the ajinomoto. It is very so dangerous and poisonous chemical substance is there. It is mixed in that foodstuffs, and we are always eating that food. And it is badly affected in our stomach, and it is badly affected in our intestine, small intestine, and is small intestine is an important role in the digestion of food material. जे अन्न पचण्याच्या क्रियेमध्ये की जे लाळाचं महत्त्वाचं आहे ते लाळ if that small intestine totally damaged, then what happen? Digestion will totally collapse. Then you will be suffering from stomach pains, abdomen pains, appendix, intestinal problem, so many disorders are there. They will be suffering from that different disorders. That means you must take care about your food material. Which type of food material must be present in your tiffin? We don't know. Only you are taking the specific food material day by day in your daily life. It is totally wrong. You must take the sprouted cereals and grains in your tiffin. मोड आल्या कडधान्यांचा आपण जास्तीत जास्त वापर आपल्या आहारामध्ये करावा. Number 2, you must drink here about 2.5 liter water. Here about 2.5 liter water. I always drinking 3 liters daily, 3 liters water. I think you are drinking only half liter water. This is your bottle. At least you must drink 2 liter water. Why? It will give the minerals for your body. What is the function of this water? To keep the temperature of a human body. जे आपल्या मानवी शरीराचं तापमान नियंत्रण करण्याचं काम पाण्यासाठी करतो. बरोबर आहे का? म्हणजे ज्यावेळी तुम्हाला ताप येतो डॉक्टरचा अंग पुसून घ्या का मेंटेन टू कंट्रोल. म्हणजे आपलं जे फीवर आहे जे ताप आहे ते ताप त्या ठिकाणी तर स्टॉप करण्याचं काम, ते मेंटेन करण्याचं काम, कंट्रोल करण्याचं काम त्या ठिकाणी आपल्या मानवी शरीरामध्ये त्या पाण्यामध्ये होत असतं. म्हणजे आपण which type of food material we take, आपण कुठल्या प्रकारचे खाद्य खायला पाहिजे we don't have, आपल्याला माहित नाही. Sprouted cereal, sprouted grain you must take. खायला पाहिजे. Jaggery as well as groundnuts, groundnuts you take that. म्हणजे कच्ची किंवा शेंगदाणे आपण कच्चे पण खायला पाहिजे. Mostly the leafy vegetables must be eaten in your tiffin daily in your life. Leafy vegetables plays a very important role. For example, I will give a so simple example. Which one? That is the drumstick. Do you know what is drumstick? Anybody? Very nice. What do you answer? Good. Yes, very good. Shivga. It is a lot of vitamins, minerals, etc. If you give the 10 rupees in the market, then you will get the 3 drumsticks. Very so simple. But if you are suffering from the weakness, legs pains, hand pains, then the doctor will give the one injection, and that means he will give 100, 200. He taking the 20 rupees, give one tablet.